Hi parents, this is Naren from WowParenting. Let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you agree that the world is changing very fast? Do you agree that the quantity of uncertainties in life is increasing dramatically? If your answer is yes, then you will agree with me when I say, in today's world, we cannot be dependent only on the education system to make my child ready for the future. My child needs certain critical abilities which is not there in the education system at all. When these critical abilities are given to the child, we can kind of relax and believe that my child will have a beautiful future. For example, almost every corporate HR chief that I talk to says, we need people in the organization who have the ability to learn very fast. They might have gained expertise in one technology, but the technology is changing so fast. If they don't have the capacity to learn new things, these people will be outdated very soon. The education system does not teach them this. We need to. Like that, how to handle failures. The education system does not teach it. We need to. Another example is, how do I solve complicated situations? Education system does not teach it. We need to. I gave you 3 examples. Like this, there are 8 critical abilities that every person needs to be successful and happy in the future. Please come and see the videos that we have in this series called 8 Critical Abilities, which I bet you, when you see these videos, you will have a wow feeling and you will say, this is exactly what I need for my child to do well in life. So what are you waiting for? Come to WowParenting.com and experience this video series called 8 Critical Abilities and ensure your child is happy and successful in their life. Wish you all the best and love you so much.